need you. I can't take care of them by myself. It wasn't supposed to be like this. You were going to live with your mom. I'd find the best place for you so you'd be happy. I don't know what to do. I know she's gone, but I won't abandon you. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go to bed. All right. Don't knock them over. Come on. All right. Good night. Don't move. Okay.